Plant-Based Gabriel here, and today I'm going to be making my pumpkin pie smoothie. Now all we're going to need for this recipe is 6 frozen pieces of pumpkin puree. Now I've taken the pumpkin puree out of the can and used an ice cube tray to freeze it. We're also going to need 1 cup of water, half a cup of a plant-based milk. I'm using my walnut milk. 1 tablespoon of maple syrup, and you can use more if you find that this is not sweet enough. I find that 1 tablespoon adds more than enough sweetness. We're also going to need half a teaspoon of vanilla extract, and then a dry spice mix that includes half a teaspoon of cinnamon, 1/4 of a teaspoon of nutmeg, and then 1/8 teaspoon of clove and ginger. Now I'm also going to be using my Ninja Auto IQ blender. Any blender will work for this recipe. I'm going to bring you guys in here and we're going to go ahead and get started. Okay, to get started, I'm going to load everything into the blender. I've got my pieces of frozen pumpkin puree. We've got our dry spice mix, our cup of water, our plant-based milk, which I was very messy with. We've got our tablespoon of maple syrup, and then half a teaspoon of vanilla extract. Now I'm going to go ahead and blend this for roughly around 15 to 30 seconds until it becomes a nice smoothie consistency. Okay, 25 seconds later, and we have a perfectly blended smoothie. Now I'm gonna go ahead and get the kitchen cleaned up a little bit. I will see you guys in just a second. I am back. I've got the kitchen tidied up. I'm here with my pumpkin pie smoothie that is looking and smelling absolutely fantastic. And I went ahead and put it in this reusable, I think it was a salsa jar at one point in time. It's a glass jar. I've also got my stainless steel straw here. I'm gonna go ahead and give it a try. Absolutely incredible. Now you can go and pay $7 at one of your local coffee shops to get a drink that tastes just like this, full of sugar that's been processed, or you can go ahead and make it at home yourself with a few simple ingredients, and it is going to taste absolutely fantastic. I really hope you guys enjoyed this recipe video. If you did, go ahead and give me a like button on Facebook at The Plant-Based Gabriel, and on YouTube, make sure you hit the subscribe button with the little bell to get notified when I post new recipe videos. I am Plant-Based Gabriel with my pumpkin pie smoothie, hoping that I will see you guys very, very soon.